Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, I want to show you some of the deals still going on at Tractor Supply, 50% off Cyber Week. So let's dive in. So guys, to get us started, we're going to check out some of these deals going on right now during the Cyber Week. We have the Blackstone items. We have the regular 4-burner here, 36 inches, the one I have, almost the exact same one, $249. That's a really good price for that one. I think that's what I paid for mine a couple years ago, and it has done great for us. We really like it. Then they also have this little 2-burner one. My friend has this one. He actually loves it. He takes it with him to the lake and camping and stuff like that. It's nice. It doesn't take up a lot of space. It is the 22-inch and down to $199. I also think that's a good deal for a Blackstone as well. A couple other items on sale. We have these safes, so you can check this out. The Winchester Safe 36-inch long gun, a lock safe right here for $600, and then we also have the 20 long gun safe as well for $350. So again, two good options where you can see all the different compartments in this one and this one as well. So great deals on both of these as well, especially if you're in the market for a gun safe. Another outdoor deal right here, we have these cell cams. We see right here, there's Stealth Cam, cellular trail cam. You have to see the price in cart for that one, but you can see it's already marked down from $9.99 or $99.99. And then we also have the Stealth Cam camera, just regular right here for $79, 2-pack. That's a pretty good deal. Again, if you're just you're looking for some regular cameras, you see it's down 20%. So this one's probably going to be down around there as well. But again, cell cameras are really cool and a really nice way to hunt. Then we see some fun little ride-on toys. We have the zero-turn ride-on toy here, $239. That's a pretty cool little deal right there. I think that's a good option. And then we also have the other ride-on option right here, the 12-volt ATV ride-on for $239 as well. Again, our kids have loved riding on these. I think this would be a lot of fun right here. Fun little zero-turn option for that one. And then some toys and other items on sale. We see this little plush cow on sale for $18. A horse here for $45. Project X here. A little duck hunt kind of game. Fun thing there, $33. We saw this in the store at $75 there. And they still have a lot of their other toys marked down. So if you need some toys for Christmas, you need to grab a few things, you can definitely come and check out all their toys and see what might be available. A couple tool deals they have right here. The Mechanics tool set, 324-piece tool set, $100. We saw this on Black Friday, so it's still a great deal for that. We also have the 253-piece set right here for $50. So again, another great option. You can see all the options here. Another great deal on that. So great deals on both of these. Again, JobSmart's a solid brand. It's going to do a good job. It's Tractor Supply's brand, and they're going to do a good job for you. Here's a different option for gun safe. This is the 84 gun safe. That's incredible. But $2,500 here, and then also another 84 long range fire and then waterproof case as well. So whichever one you're looking for, the long range or the big green, both great cases right there. And so whichever one you might be interested in, check it out. See the prices right here. Good options on those. Couple Husqvarna options. We have the leaf blower here for $303, so you can check this out. Again, I think it's a great deal. The good option right here comes with a battery and charger included. You can see that right there. Then we also have the pole saw and battery and charger included as well right there for $360. I have a Husqvarna backpack blower. Works great. I really like the brand. They do a really good job. And then we also see the chainsaw here. Another good option, $383 for the chainsaw. And then also another shot at the blower right there. You can see a little bit different. No, same blower. So right there, same blower on those. You can grab the blower and the chainsaw as well. Then we also have the trimmer here for $254. Another 24-inch trimmer for that one right there. And the same chainsaw here. Here's the 20-inch chainsaw, Farm Tough. Right there, we saw that one on Black Friday, a $399. Pretty good deal for that one, 16% off there. And then we also see the backpack leaf blower here for Husky as well for $279. Again, 270 miles an hour, gas backpack blower. Again, I got one very similar. I like it a lot. Has worked really well for us. It's lasted a long time as well. I've had it for 5 to actually about 7 years now. I like it a lot. Works great. Highly recommend it. We also had some wreaths on sale. So you see some of these wreaths. So if you need to grab those, pretty good deals on those for decorating for Christmas. Then we also have the side-by-side. We saw this in the last video as well. $78.99. So again, if you want to grab you one of those, right under $9 grand, get to save 12% on this one as well. So pretty cool option right there. Another cool deal we see right here is the little mini bike for 600 bucks, 196cc gas mini bike. So if you want to grab one of these for a little fun, or even for your kiddos, you can check that out. Another good deal right here, we have the Mechanics tool chest. We saw this in the last video at 500 bucks. So again, see all the different options, all the different places you can store stuff in here. Pretty good deals on all of these. We also have the snowblower. We do not have snow where I live, but you guys can let me know if this is a good brand and a good option. It is 20% off, right down to 800 bucks. So again, another good option and good deal for that if you are in the market for a snowblower. Next we have the Champion generator here, 500 bucks. Again, pretty good option. 4,500 watt right here. I think that's a great option right there. 500 bucks. Get it 37% off. And so if you are in the need for some type of generator, definitely think it's a good one. Again, you want to check how much wattage you're going to need, and then kind of see what, again, you can grab and what you can afford. I think this is a good price and a good option for one of those. You also have the Coleman Power Sport little youth 125 ATV, right at 1,000 bucks. That's really cool. I think that's a cool little fun item right there. Looks really good. Again, get to save $41 or 41% on that. And then again, I think one of the biggest things this year was this tower system for different companies. You can see this one at 99 bucks. A lot of different options for that one, but a bunch of good deals right there. So whatever you might be interested in, right there, pretty good size on this. $100, 33% off. So again, I think it's another great option on that. Then we also have the DeWalt brushless trimmer combo kit, $289. Really good price for that. You can see has the trimmer and the blower, the charger, and the battery as well. So pretty good option under that. 17% off, but these are really popular and really good. DeWalt's going to do a good job for you, and these are going to last a long time. So definitely recommend you check that out. Then we get into some Christmas decorations. You can see a bunch of these decor items, different prices. A lot of these, again, you can see are down and marked down pretty good for these. 25% off a lot of these Christmas decorations, so you can check a lot of those out. Whatever you might be interested in, whether it's some type of item, some type of animal, whatever that might be, definitely recommend you check these out and see what you're looking for. Some are even down to 50% as well. So check these out. Check them out on these links below, or you just check out the website and see if this is something you might be interested in. Another one we have right here are some coops and pens. So if you need some coops or pens for your house, whether on the farm or if you have some backyard chickens, you can see some of these right here. I do like this little option. I grabbed this. We had this at an event I was a part of last year, and somebody won that, took that home. 6 chicken capacity, 150. Pretty good option right there. 50% off. So a lot of these 50% off. I mean, those are great deals right now if you need some of those. 50% off of these. Good options. A lot of cool deals right there. Look at that. That is a great little fun tractor trailer, or little trailer, chicken trailer, sorry. But cool options for that. We got chickens in our backyard. We like checking all out, the different coops and stuff. But you can see all the different ones and all the different prices. Again, 30% off to 50% off. Good deals on a lot of these. So whatever you might be interested in, check them out. See if they have your deals, or see if they have your options available. I really like these. I got one very similar to this, and this is a pretty good deal, but 10% off, pretty good. But I would check out some of these up here, and again, some of these 50% off deals. Check those out and see if that's something you might want. Also have some Christmas trees. A lot of these are on a pretty good discount as well, so check these out. 41% off, a lot of those, 25, 38. So just different percentage off. So if you need a Christmas tree still for Christmas, here's your great chance to go ahead and grab some of these. And we saw some of these ride-on toys earlier, but a couple other options. You can see this little John Deere. That's a fun one, 20% off of that. Another little zero turn here. Great job. We have used and had 2 of these little ride-on toys, and they've been great for us. Really like them. And a couple other just fun ride-on stuff. Some of these are push, some of these are powered, but even pedal. And so fun stuff right here. I think these are great. So if you need a ride-on toy for your kiddos, definitely check these out. See what might be available in your store, or if you can check them out online as well in part of the cyber deals. Also have some real Christmas trees available as well. 20% off a lot of these right here we see. Again, 28% off of that one. So a lot of good deals on these. So if you want to grab you a real Christmas tree, you can definitely do that and save a little bit of money here on Tractor Supply. Another cool option is this 8-drawer tool cabinet, $250. I think that's a really cool option right there. You can see it has the little wood on the top right there, and then also all the options for drawers and storage. So I think that's a really cool option for that one. They also had a lot of clothes on sale. I'm not going to go through all the details in the clothes, but you can see all the different ones. Clothing, winter stuff and stuff like that. So if you're interested in those, you can check those out as well. Then we talked a little bit about grills. We saw some of these Blackstones, but they also have a bunch of other ones on sale. Little pit balls here, 20% off. Weber, 25% off. Royal Gourmet, again, you can see that one right there, price in cart. So you have to check that out. But some of this is the little option for the griddle and grill combo. Pretty cool option there. And then a couple other options. You can just see some of these are on sale. Some of these, significant sales. So it just kind of depends on what you might be interested in. But check these out. See if you need a grill, great time to grab one, or even some smokers. You can check these out and grab a grill or a smoker, whatever that might be. Again, some really good deals and options on these. Even some fryers. I think that pizza oven right there is really cool. So whatever you might need, pretty good deal. I mean, 28% off, still pretty good. 40% off, solid option there. 20%. So good options. Make sure you check and see these if there's any grills you might need. Also have some log splitters and tree trimmers. Pretty good options on these. These are pretty expensive, so they're not going to be a significant off, but 15% is pretty good. Even some of these bigger ones options right here, still 12 and 11% off. So kind of depends on what you might need, but if you're going to be splitting some logs or even just using the chainsaw right here, check these out. I mean, that's 40% off right there. It's a great deal. We saw some of these Husqvarnas already, and we also have seen some of these other deals. But if you need some wood splitters or any option like that, check these out. Chainsaws all on sale, 20% off, 40% off. Great deals on a lot of these, even some of these pole saws right here as well. They also have some fireplace and heaters. Grab some of these, 15 to even 20% off. Great options on those. So solid deals, 30% off of that one right there. But if you need some type of heater, electric heater, or even the stove heater, you can check these out and see what all kinds they might have. More dog kennels. Check some of these out. 50% off that one. 25 off these. 15, 25. I mean, again, great deal. If you need a dog kennel, this is a great time to go ahead and check one out. Also have the Mighty Mule option here for some solar panel kits. Gate openers. This is the one that has like on its advertisement there, but 20% off. So if you need some of these like little gate opener kits, you can check some of these out. Then they also have some storage racks as well from DeWalt. We can check these. $329 and $150, 46% off of those. So if you need some storage racks for your garage or your shop, definitely check out DeWalt and see if it's something that you might be interested here. But overall, there's some still great deals going on right now at Tractor Supply. Let me know in the comments what you plan on grabbing, and I'll see you in the next video.